Hi everyone, this is the USBridge-KVM 2.0. It is a very compact IP KVM for direct hardware access. Normally, installing systems on a server is a long process. You need bootable flash drives, monitors, and manual setup. I fixed that. My KVM can automate low-level tasks, for example, deploying Debian or installing Proxmox. Today, I'll show you how it works. Let's quickly set up the KVM itself. I've already connected to Wi-Fi, but you can easily do that in the network menu. Just start scanning for networks, select the one you need, and enter the password. I won't do that right now since I'm already connected. Next, I need to get an authorization token. I'll go back to the menu and select authorization. A QR code is displayed, but I can press the top button to see the IP address and the token. Now, all I need to do is connect the KVM to the PC where I'll be installing Proxmox. I connect power to the first port, which also handles USB emulation. Into the second port, I plug the included external video capture card. That wraps up the KVM setup, and now I can head over to my computer. Now you can see me at the bottom of the screen. I have the USBridge client application open. There are two connection methods, either through the app or a web browser or directly from the terminal. I'll go over the first method now. I already have existing connections set up in the app. I can choose the connection method either via Tailscale or LAN. I'll be connecting using Tailscale. When I click on a connection, it brings up the name, the IP address, and the Tailscale address, along with the token itself. Let me connect to the KVM. As you can see, the video feed from my PC is now up. I'll quickly walk through the tabs available here, but I won't dive into them in detail right now. I'll save that for the next video. Let's move on to the most interesting part, the script tab. At the top, I have the MCP protocol for connecting AI agents, and below that are the available scripts. But what I'm most interested in right now is the Proxmox Installation script. I'll click the Edit button, and a window opens with the script's code. Inside, there are variables you can edit, like the email, logging, and password. Alright, now I'll run the script. As I can see in the logs, it started successfully. Next, I'll switch over to the Control tab to monitor its progress. The script has successfully booted the PC into the BIOS and is now selecting the mounted Proxmox ISO as the boot device. And here I can see the Proxmox installation screen appear, and the setup has started. What is really interesting is that I can also run these scripts using AI agents via the MCP protocol. The agent can monitor the script logs and even edit them. We can see how the script selects the language and then enters the login password and email. I specified these parameters earlier when editing the script. Next, it successfully sets the host name and continues the installation. Another interesting detail I want to share is that if I close the client app right now, the script will just keep running in the background. It executes directly on the KVM device itself, so it is completely independent of the application. The Proxmox installation is finishing up, and you can see that the script executed perfectly. I didn't press a single key during this process. The script ran completely automatically. Now, I'll jump right into the second connection method directly through the terminal. I type in my SSH user, IP address, and password. From the script menu, I run the enter BIOS script. The BIOS has loaded, and I can navigate through the tabs and continue the configuration right here in the terminal. I can also execute scripts directly on the KVM. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. The KVM is already available on Crowd Supply, and I'll leave the links down in the description.